if they raise, I think that would, at this point in time, would surprise the market, and generally markets don't like surprises, so if it
Mhm.
does surprise the market, I think for whatever reason, I think it would be a negative reaction by the overall stock market. I think the markets would sell off because right now we're into, like you set it up well. It was the possible raise a while ago, then it was nothing going to happen. Now we're in the camp of the probability. If you look
Mhm.
at the odds right now are around 80-85% that we see a cut in September. So if that doesn't happen, unless they have some language around the forward guidance, I think the markets would kind of say, okay, we're expecting a cut. And the reason we like a cut, we just talked about the previous segment, it's good for the housing, good for the, stimulate the overall economy.
Mhm.
Maybe, not so good for some of the savers, but that would be a surprise to the market. I think they would negatively react. So I think that's what would happen now at some point in time, the market, had this nice little rise, like you said, on the other week on Friday, because if they do go ahead and cut at some point in time, it'll be priced in by the market. And then it's all matter of what, company fundamentals. And then we get into Q3, earnings reports, which will be in October timeframe, right? You and I will have this conversation, and probably Kyle
Absolutely. Yep.
will debate what should we do as portfolio managers.